In this exercise, I would like to show you how you can create a graph in Illustrator. To do this, you can select the graph tool in the toolbar and you can drag the size of your graph. Now you can fill in some data. You save it to the graph, and then we have, in this case, a bar graph. If we would like to change this bar graph into another graph, we can select the graph, we can double click on the symbol, and we can change it to another type of graph, for example, a pie chart. Then we click up OK, and it changes into a new graph. We can also change some settings, drop shadow, first row in front, click OK again, and see what happens. And this is how you use a graph in Illustrator.